Good morning. Today we're going to explore the art of Japanese paper quilting. So here is the cut piece. Now I used a cardboard, but if you have any like a thick foam, you can do that. It's a little bit tougher to cut the cardboard, but if there's a thickness in a foam you have at home of some sort, that's fine too. I'm just going to show you some of the patterns and papers, and again, I've used so many different papers. You just go throughout your house, you'll find that there's a lot of pattern paper. That check mark goes on this side. Very important, or else it's backward. For anyone who likes puzzles, this is actually wonderful. For anyone who likes to scrapbook, this is a wonderful thing to do. Most people who do scrapbooking, they know about this process already. Okay, there we are. That's our first piece. And then I'm going to alternate that with another color, a different design. And so here's where the check is. So I'm putting the check on the opposite side because that's the top part. That's what the check represents. I want to make sure I have enough room. And again, I'm going to cut space so that we can fold. Anyone who's ever wrapped a gift would know how to do this. It's really just making tiny little gifts that ultimately are a work of art. It's amazing how many art techniques are within the umbrella of origami. I mean, this is a form of origami, but it's totally different. So here we are with the background created, and now we're going to address the circle actually. And the circle we're going to create, I want a totally different color selection. The actual finished product, it's not been secured onto a board, but I will do that. And you can can see some of the papers have thicknesses that are higher, so they're projecting further up than the others. And it looks like a pincushion, really. And what's interesting about this, once it's done, the flat surface, you can superimpose other forms on top. I might do that, I don't know. But it's a really fascinating, wonderful thing, and it almost makes me want to paint this, actually. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and get out there and vote.